नमस्ते स्टूडेंट्स, खुश रहो बिटिया। आई एम JVN डॉक्टर मीनाक्षी माहेश्वरी, असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर इन मैनेजमेंट डिपार्टमेंट in Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. In today's session, we are going about discuss the sales and marketing in this subject. Our second topic is what is business organization. So let's about start what is business organization. First, I define business organization. What it means. The term business organization describe how business are structured and how their structure help them meet their goals. In general, businesses are designed to focus on either generating profit or improving society. When a business focus on generating profits, it known as a for profit organization. When an organization focus on improving the social goods through the arts, education, healthcare or some other area, it known as non-profit or non-for-profit organization. It is not typically referred to as a business. There are different categories of business organization that relate to how the business is established, owned, and operated. The basic categories of business organization are sole proprietorship, partnership, and corporation. Each type of business organization has benefits as well as disadvantages. For example, a sole proprietor for a small business is able to operate independently. How much of the government regulation that affects larger business, but he or she liable, like responsible for all financial risk of the business. Therefore, the owner of a small grocery store is able to keep all the profits for herself, but she is also liable for all all of her business debts, even if she must repay and debt with her personal finance. No matter how a business is organized, it taken on certain risk as it operates. One way to minimize risk is for a business to use its assets and investment wisely. Whether these are equipment, knowledge, property, or relationship. The more efficiently a business uses its assets, the greater the chance that it will make a monetary profit. Business organization affects how a business is treated under the law. State and State and central government provide incentive and rules for every type of business organization. Profitability in industry help a country economic grow. So government generally support corporations by passing laws that protect investors from liability for debts of the business. So business organization is the process of establishing effective cooperation between the factors of production for producing goods or services to earn profit. It is in the present age, production and distribution activities are increasingly day by day. With the rise in the bird population, standard of living is also improving. Due to the business activity, today the man is enjoying all the facility of life due to business efficiency. But without business organization, we cannot solve business problems. Business organization consists of the skillful activities of the businessman which are helpful for promoting the trade, commerce and industry. Business organization plays very effective role for the business development. Importance of business organization, we can discuss its importance as an under. First one is production of goods. Business organization is very useful for production process of goods and services. It increases the efficiency of various sections. Second is reduce the cost. Business organization principles are used to minimize the cost of production, so the profit of the business increases. Third is distribution. Distribution is marketing, is the second word, and simpling word marketing. Marketing and distribution problem is also being solved by the business organization. Common link. Fourth one is common link. It provides a common link between various of the business activity. So effective cooperation among the various factors increase the profit of the enterprises. Fifth is save the time. Due to business organization, we can save our time, which is more precious, more important in the present age. Six is minimum wastage. Business organization reduce the wastage of material and other expenditure, so rate of profit increases. Like in our business organization, wastage is reduced, so profit is permanently increases. Seven is secretariat function. Business organization teach us the principle of office organization. It tells us the best way of performing the secretarial function. Eighth is finance management. Business organization also guide the businessman that how he should meet his financial needs and expand the business. 9 is transportation use. It guides the businessman that which type of transport he should utilize to increase the sale and profit of his product. 10 is makes the businessman efficient. Business organization has enabled the businessman to conduct the business affair efficiently. It also provides the solution of many problems. 11 is fixes responsibility. It fixes the responsibility of every individual in a different manner. It also introduces the scheme or internal check with works automatically. 12 is solve the market problem. Business organization solve the problems of buying, selling, storage and grading, all market problems. 13 is technical development. It is also very helpful for improving the technology in the country. In business organization, we use new methods, innovations are used in the production process. 14 is decision making. Decision making is very important factor for our success of the business. The business organization is very useful in making the decision in time. 15 is provide skills. Business organization provide the skill pupil like salesman to satisfy the customer. 16 and last is supply according to demand. It guides the producer that he should produce the goods according the demand of the market, because we start a business, first stage of our business analysis of demand. So supply according to demand, facts about market are collected and demand is produced accordingly. These are the factors of the business, importance of the business organization. So business is a human activity which is undertaken to provide goods and services to people with a view to earning point. Organization, business organization make by two words, business and organization. Business is a human activity which is undertaken to provide goods and services to people with a view to earning profit. An organization, the word organization is generally divided in two parts. First is material organization, second is human organization. Material organization is the determining and provision of necessary raw materials, tools, capitals, etc. to enterprises for their smooth running and functioning. Human organization, it is the appointment of qualified staff and assigning them different duties and responsibilities for the sake of business organization interest. Organization also give them enough authority to perform all their duties. These are the human organization. It is the appointment of qualified staff and assigning them different duties and responsibilities for the sake of business organization interest. Organization also give them enough authority to perform all their duties and responsibilities smoothly. No business organization can be defined as the process of establishing effective cooperation among different people to achieve certain goals to earn a profit. A business organization can be formed to serve people and known as non-profit organization. So, the scope of the business organization after the industry revolution, the scope of business organization has largely extended. The role of business organization in various form of business is discussed. First one is sole proprietorship. In this form of business, due to the simple structure of an organization, the entrepreneur brings his own capital. He is an organizer, operator, controller, decision maker, financier, and above all, responsibility for all the business and failure of business. Second is partnership. In this form of business, according to the agreement, each partner introduce capital, management and labor. In the management, partner decide among themselves to which partner can be suitable for taking part in the affair of the business. As the partnership business is running on a small size, the business organization structure is very simple. Third is joint stock companies. In this form of business, the work of the organization started even before its amalgamation by the promoters. This work of organization continues after amalgamation. Responsibility are prepared on organizational chart and duties of the personnel employed are defined. Producers are laid down. The scope of this form of business organization is quite wide and complicated. These are the business organization. We can repeat this topic. What is business organization? The term business organization describe how business are structured and how their structure help them meet their goal. And business organization, importance of business organization. First one is production of goods, second is reduce the cost, third is distribution, fourth is common link, and fifth is save the time, six is minimum wastage, and seven is secretariat function, eighth is finance management, nine is transportation use, 10 is make the businessman efficient, 11 is fixes responsibilities, 12 is solve the market problem, 13 is technical development, 14 is decision making, 15 is provide skills, 16 is supply according to the demand. Business organization makes by two words. First one is business and second is organization. Business is a human activity. Organization is made by two words. First material organization and human organization. Scope of business organization. First is sole proprietorship, second is partnership, and third is joint stock companies. Thank you. This section is powered by JVW Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University Jaipur. If you have any queries, we will discuss in the problem solving. Thank you.